Hi everybody, we practiced writing our letters. So now what I'm going to demonstrate is another activity that we can do to also review the letters. So I'm going to show you how I can just make a set of cards to use for another activity. So this is something we would have these in the classroom as part of the Handwriting Without Tears program. So it's like a pre-purchase type of thing. They're laminated. But since we don't have that at home, this is just how we could create an activity at home, just using index cards or paper. So I'm going to use my yellow crayon because I'm going to do a starting place, and I'm only going to demonstrate 2 of the cards. I'm going to make all 4 letters, but I have them already pre-done. So let me just start. I'll do the L and the F. So we put our starting place up there, and I'm going to use pretty much the whole card to create my L. So there's my L. For this part, the children don't have to be present if you want to get the materials ready. All right, so, and I have the other ones done. So here are our practice letters. We started with L, we added a line there, and that it just builds on itself. These are called straight line letters. So I'll just start right from the beginning. So now is when you maybe want to have your child come in, and then we can do a little bit of this activity together. These aren't ideal because they are paper and the Play-Doh will stick to them, but they're easy to recreate. So, all right, here we go. We're gonna get some Play-Doh, so have your Play-Doh ready. I'm gonna take it out and squeeze. We always warm up by getting our hands ready. Gets the Play-Doh warm. All right, so once our Play-Doh is ready, we're gonna start rolling out our big line down. So we have a big line down. Now we need a little line at the bottom. So you can complete, I think it's best to just complete one letter at a time. So for this activity, sometimes I'll ask the children and the children can poke. So go ahead and let's poke down. So that isolate that finger and poke across. So we made L. All right, so you can remove it. You'll see it sticks a little bit, but now I'm gonna get my Play-Doh ready again, and I'm gonna practice my next letter, F. And you don't have to practice them all at the same time. You can always pause or just practice one. All right, so I have some Play-Doh ready, and I'm gonna roll my big line. Break a piece off. Roll a little line for the top. Roll a little line for the middle. So for this one, I'll demonstrate. So we poked on the last one, but we can pinch. So we're gonna use the pinch, and we're gonna squeeze the Play-Doh and pinch. I should have started with down, but that's fine. Down, jump to the middle. So it kind of looks like that. I've seen the students, they get really creative and smart, and they recycle their lines. And if they think of that, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna start fresh, and I'm gonna squeeze my Play-Doh. So I need a big line down, and I need 1 little line, 2 little lines, 3 little lines. So I have some work to do. I'm gonna go ahead and roll my big line. Big line down, pull a piece off, little line at the top, little line in the middle, and little line at the bottom. There's our E. So we can go ahead and poke, go down, poke, 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 poke. And then we have our E. So great job. You can make them all and then take a picture, or if you're only going to do a couple of the letters, that's fine. The point is just to practice when you can, and just practice with the terminology, big line, little line. Where do we start our letters? At the top? Top, middle, bottom. So that's pretty much the terminology we use. All right, so we have letter H. So I need 2 big lines and a little line in the middle. So big line 1. Jump, big line 2. And let's put that table in the middle. That's a little line. Put it right in the middle. Now we're going to pinch again for this one. Down, big line down, pinch, 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 jump, big line down, pinch, 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 little line in the middle. All right, so have fun with it. Like I said, take a picture of one or take a picture of all. Go ahead and share them with me so I can see how everything's going. Have fun with it.